Okay, we're going to do a cold start on this SL70. It's a 1972. It was born 10 of 71. We're going to take a look at how this operates. Turn the fuel on. It's going to turn to reserve. Key in the on position. Engine is cold. We'll come around here. Sorry for the wind. Key is on. Safety switch is on. Oops, put the choke up. Choke down about halfway. A little bit cold-blooded, but it runs really good. Off, gas off. That's a cold start video and even a little bit of running down the street video. Hope you like it. You too could be the neighborhood star riding a yellow SL70. Beautiful, sharp motorcycle, needs to be in somebody's office or museum.